Oh, pretty exciting around here. Package showed up in the mail today. I'm assuming FedEx. It's like Christmas around here, man. Listen to this long, beautiful box. Let's see what's in her. Alright, let's open this thing up. Got the tape all cut. And we open the other end. Look at this. We are looking at my new Penn Battle 3 size 1000 combo. So let's get this plastic off and take a closer look. Boy, isn't she a beauty. Oh, got a little rubber strap right here. There we go. Alright, so what we're looking at here, like I said, is a Penn Battle 3, and this is size 1000, so the smallest of the reels. And this is obviously the combo. We're looking here at, it actually says Penn Battle 3, light, medium, fast, 6'6" rod, 4 to 10 pound mono, 6 to 15 pound braid, 1/16 to 1/2 ounce lure. So there it is. I had a little bit of credit on my Cabela's credit card, points saved up, and decided to burn them up and get myself a new fishing pole. Here's the tag that's on the combo, the Penn Battle 3. There's the specifications for the reel. CNC gear technology. HT100 drag system, door guides, stainless steel, 8 of them. Alright, just a quick comparison between the Pfluger Monarch combo that I got for about 50 bucks from my local Fleet Farm compared to the Pfluger President. This is the 20 size, and that is mounted to my Fenwick Eagle rod. And then now I've got the Penn Battle 3 size 1000 combo, and I can see that the Fenwick excuse me, the Penn reel there is a little bit bigger, even though that's the smallest one that they make in the Battle 3. That rod is, that reel, sorry, is still a little bit larger than either of the Flugers here. But these have been my go-to ultralight rods, and now I will have a third one, so we'll get them all ready. I like to have a couple on hand because, you know, when that little spool gets all messed up, I'm not going to spend a lot of time dealing with it. I'm just going to set it aside and grab the rod that's not tangled a mess. All right, thanks.